me to come up for you to go in the building. So I'm in my place. But literally, there's a thunderstorm happening in Palm Springs. There's a good thing for whatever. And then, look, it's raining. None of my footstool, like that. That's the best. This is so nice. Oh, let's have a taste of it. Look at this new. Okay, so it's taking down. I'm going to show you. Just a banana. And then we got my sister. The top spaces are for her to have. Just turn this balcony and then all of a sudden it's raining. The backward part